Hi, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we're going to be taking a look at week 6. And as you can tell, this is a short week because of President's Day, and also we've finished Unit 1, and so this is really a catch-up week that I think quite a few people could use. So last week we did our Unit 1 final over the Civil War, and this week I really want you to use your time wisely to get caught up. Now, of course, you're going to be watching this video, looking over the suggested schedule for the week, and you don't need to take the quiz as a pretest because the quiz is kind of a reflection thing. So you do have 3 assignments this week. They're really quick to the point. Everyone should get full credit on all of them very easily. But I do want you to go through week 6 extension catch-up and see what it's all about. Take you only a few minutes to go through and see what each of these are. And also take some time this week to go back and get some stuff done, caught up on all of that good stuff. Now, I know a few of you are all set and ready. You don't need any catch-up or anything. This will be a good cake week for you as well. Maybe spend a little extra time in some of your other classes. But please, everyone should do these 3 assignments here. With that, that's about it. So those of you coming on the field trip on Wednesday, make sure you are at school by 8:45 so we can get all organized, get on the bus, and hopefully pull away as close to 9 o'clock as possible. We're going to be really busy down there. We're not going to be able to take time out to have lunch or a snack. If you want to throw a little snack in your pocket to kind of nibble on the way, you can, but please make sure it's not anything messy or substantial or anything. Just a little snack to get you by, and then we'll be back. We'll be back on campus by 1:30, and you can have a more full meal then if you need. So with that, let me know if you have any questions and get everything done. Thanks. Bye.